I'm gonna rock you very gently so you can have a nice little snooze. Okay.
All right. Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. And oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Uh-oh, I think I did it wrong.
Oh. Sorry, kid. You're not done rocking, right?
Okay, we gotta do this again. Oh! Look. Who knew rocking a baby was so hard? And then down. What? What am I doing wrong? I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Oh. Sorry, kid. You're not done rocking, right?
It's the last part. The last down arrow. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Look down. What? What is going on? What am I doing wrong?
Oh. Sorry, kid.
I've been rocking this baby for 5 hours. Do you want to watch Swanzo rock a baby for 25 hours? Look. See, on this one, you just follow the line. Follow the line. And down. What is going on? What am I doing wrong?
Sorry, kid. You're not done rocking, right?
Look, whoops. Oh, God damn it. I'm gonna throw this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna kill this baby.
I'll rock it down a notch.
Oh, maybe I did it too fast. Oh, I think that's what the problem was. Okay. Slowly go down. Whew. Thank God. That was worse than any boss battle I've ever had. That was like worse than a boss battle.